Hey guys, welcome back to this new series that I'm doing of me renovating my room completely. By completely, I mean that it will not look the same. And the first thing we're going to be working on is my closet. As you can see, my closet has been a mess for a couple weeks now. I've just been so eager and waiting patiently for this new look. Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again. This wasn't a quick process, but I'm going to explain it like it was. First thing I did was making sure I removed everything and anything that was in my room so I could have a clean and empty canvas. Then I removed the doors, that way I could be able to go in and out and nothing is on my way. After that, I removed the wall support along with the rod that was in there. I saved them because I will be using them afterwards. Then I bring up my drawer. It was a brand new drawer from IKEA that I got for $35 on Facebook because the owner was moving and my brother broke it. Why? I don't know. I guess he does what he does. Now I put it in so I could take the exact measurements of how and where everything is going to be, because I want the drawer to be somewhere that I can still open it all the way up without it, being stopped by the wall. And I took my measurements. The two sides are going to be where I put my shoes, along with the long thing that I used on my last video of, I don't know the name of it, but it's like a hanging one that I use for my shoe. I'm going to be using one of them along with the two sides because that's not going to be enough for all my shoes. After taking all of my measurements, I was able to go in and paint because I wanted everything to be unified. Since white is going to be my theme color, I painted everything and I only needed one coat because one, the wall was dirty, and two, it was an off-white color. But since I didn't put any water in the paint, one coat was enough. Thank God. But then after that, I went back with the wall supports. I put them so much higher. I know it's super high. I know, like, I'm so short, but I don't really care how high my clothes gonna be hanging because, as long as I can use the bottom space, I can utilize it better. That's all I worry about. Then after that, I used the bench that used to be up there. I made a support for it. That way I could take my sheets and fold them up and put them high up there, because the big thing I used to use is not gonna fit up there. So that way it's gonna be better. The next step that I take was by cutting and taking measurements of the side of the drawers that I'm going to make. I bought two super long ones. I don't know the name for it right now. It was two super long ones that I got cut into four. And I got 50% off everything because it wasn't the best looking woods. And I didn't care about how it looks because everything's going to be painted. Then I made the two sides, as you can see on the video, just to take some further measurements. And then when everything was good, I painted it. After painting everything, I put on the drawer sliders. I don't know if that's really the name for it, so I can know where my drawers are going to be, and made the top two drawers last. When I put them together, thank you God, thank you Lord, everything fit perfectly, which is what I was hoping for. Then I removed the old lights that was in my room just to give it this look. Look at it. My only mistake was leaving too much space on the side, on the top drawer, which I'm fine with, and I'm not mad at it because I use this for my pants, for my jeans, because they take more space. And this is how it looks. Let me know what you think. Let me know, because I'm so proud right now, and I know I shouldn't be this proud, but this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know what you think and come back for my room next. This is just the closet that's out of the way. Let's see how the rest of the project goes.